Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the fourth puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, May the 10th, 2022. Two puzzles are left. I've already done three puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, the binary. So two puzzles are left, the Tectonic with 4 stars and the killer Sudoku. I will do this, the last one, okay. But first, the Tectonic with 4 stars. All right, this will be number 4533. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. If it's really a 4 stars. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only one single box. Single box, always a 1. Then dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes? I see here dual box. There dual box contains the 1 and 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for here. I do not know in which order. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. More dual boxes. No, triple boxes. Here, see here, triple box contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, I cannot fill this yet. I need more information. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, okay. One triple box, yes. Do we have quadra boxes here? No quadra boxes. Cannot see any quadra boxes. Well, then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, figures, constructions, or structure, whatever you name it. For example, we have here the T shape. The T shape, let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 4. All right. It's a 4. One T shape. Okay, T figure. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Well, let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Only one L shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 3 shapes or figures. There are more. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we need to recognize these 3 shapes. Why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step is then it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. All right. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2. Should be 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and a 5. All right. Then let me see. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I fill a 2 here, I cannot place any 2 in one of those two boxes. Okay, so here can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. Same story for that box. Cannot place a 2 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2. Can it be 2? So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Let me see. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 4 and goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And those 2 boxes, wait. Well, let me wait, otherwise too much markings. We have 2 boxes left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can it be 3, it's in the same area. Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Okay, I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. That means that box cannot be a 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution, place the 5 there. The 5 is supposed to be here. 2 boxes left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright. Then this box can be a 3 or a 5. 3 or a 5. We have a double 3 there, double 5 there. So the 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. Alright, I think this box should be 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. Alright. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5, but now we have a 5 here, so this box should be a 4. Okay, this box can be a 1, this box can be a 3, so the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3, so 1 digit left in this area for number 2. That means that this box, we have a triple box, cannot be a 1, we have a double 1 here, and cannot be a 3, double 3 there. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3, so 1 digit left in this triple box for number 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1, we have a double 1 there, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Let me mark those. 2 and 4. Let me see. Well. 1 and a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Alright. I think. Don't think too long. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1. In this cross area should be here. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. This box can be a 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2. Should be a 3. Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely 3. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area should be here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Then let me see. 2 boxes left in this cross area for numbers 2 and the 4. Let me mark those. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can it be a 1? That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then these 2 boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. I'm thinking. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 1. Yeah. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2, but also that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. And this box can also not be a 2. We have a double 2 here. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4 and the 5. Well, I cannot place the 4 here. We have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Almost finished. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 2 here. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. Finish in 14 minutes. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. Told you. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. Well, it seems to be this is an easy one. Easy one because from my experience, Tectonic with 8, 9, or 10 printed digits, those are the more difficult ones to solve. But I solved this again, and I'm very pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute or a few seconds with the last puzzle. It will be a killer Sudoku mix, a.k.a. Sudoku mix. Until then, bye bye for now.